Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zebra printer to your laptop, allowing you to quickly set up and begin printing. We will begin by ensuring you have the necessary components ready. Next, we will walk through the physical connection process. Then, we will guide you through installing the correct drivers. Finally, we will configure the printer settings, ensuring smooth operation for all your labeling needs. First, power down your Zebra printer completely to ensure a safe connection. Next, take your USB cable and firmly plug one end into the designated USB port on your printer. Then, connect the other end of the USB cable to an open USB port on your laptop. Once physically connected, navigate to the official Zebra website to download the most current drivers specific to your printer model, typically found in the support section. After downloading the drivers, execute the installer file on your laptop. Follow each step of the installation wizard carefully, accepting any terms and conditions. Once the drivers are installed, open your laptop's printers and scanners settings. Click Add a printer or scanner and select your Zebra printer from the list of available devices. You can then access its properties to set your preferred label dimensions, perhaps a 4-inch by 6-inch label, and print orientation for optimal results. To confirm everything is working, open a simple document or a label design program and initiate a test print. This helps verify the printer is receiving data and printing correctly. If your test print does not succeed, first double-check all cable connections, ensuring they are secure. Also, confirm the printer drivers are showing as ready in your laptop settings. For persistent issues, explore Zebra's comprehensive online support documentation or contact their customer service for more personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.